Hello traders, welcome to Investoo.com's Fibonacci series. In this lesson we are going to teach you how to calculate targets with extensions. And now that we know how to enter a trade using a correction or a retracement level, we are going to learn how to calculate it with an extension. Now let's go back to the chart and let's go back to that Aussie US dollar trade that we entered right about here, and we put our stops below the 100, which is logical. Now, always think about structure. Always think about the structure that you are trading. You are not trading a range, so it would be unwise to target these highs, right? We are making higher highs and we are making higher lows. Once you enter the trade and price starts to move in your direction, you know that this is the next higher low. So why would you target this zone right here? It doesn't make sense. But what zone can you target on the upside? Well, to do that, we're going to zoom in on the chart and we're going to look for past levels that we have tested. Now, this is the level that we have tested that is about to be tested again. And the reason is that this level was already tested and we are hoping for a break above. Okay, we really don't know if we are going to break above this level. And let me just change the color of this one because this is the level that is not good for us. Well, it's not, it's actually going to be an important level that we should be watching, but it's not as important as the level that we are targeting. Now, because we are using Fibonacci retracement levels to enter the market, we should be using Fibonacci extensions to exit the market. Why? Because Fibonacci retracement levels and extension levels calculate the cyclicality of the market. As you can see, markets are cyclical. Okay, we go up, we go down, we go up, we go down. And those points of where we go up and down is where we want to enter and exit. So we are going to grab the Fibonacci extension tool and we are going to go from the 100 to the high of the move, then back again. So here's the 161.8, and here is the level that we marked as an important level to be tested. So basically, this is the zone that we need to target. Because we want to get filled, we are going to put our targets just below this area right here. Okay, now this gives us a risk versus a reward of, let's calculate because I really don't know. We are risking, we said 75 pips, I think. Yes, 75 pips to make about 150 pips. So that's a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, which is excellent. If we were targeting this high, which is the gray line that we pointed out, we would be on a slightly better than 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. And actually, if you want to grow your account, you have to look for possibilities that are greater than a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Why? Because when you win a trade, you make 1%. When you lose a trade, you lose 1%. And here, if we are risking 1%, we are going to make 2% on our account. And then on a later trade, if we risk 1%, then we are just going to lose 1%, and 1% is going to remain as gain. All right, we are not going to be pivoting inside that break-even zone. We are going to be making money in the long run by using Fibonacci extension levels as our targets. Remember, you can actually go, it's Fibonacci extension levels are there for us to calculate our targets or to view the levels where we want to put our targets at. I mean, if we go, for example, let's take another example. And let's go back in price action a little bit. And let's look at, for example, this retracement. This retracement was deep and we were hitting the 76.4 right at this level of resistance. And then if we calculate the extension level, I'm sorry, you can see that we hit the 161.8 to the pip. So calculating targets with the 161.8 extension level after an entry on a retracement level works, and it's going to give you better risk to reward opportunities than just trading the simple A, B to C. And targeting in this case the low of the move. Because if you target, if you target the B, the B of the ABCD, uh, you are basically going to leave on the table, in this case, 100 pips, and you will only be making around 100.